apostle or one or two men besides him. He, the Holy Prophet, said, would it benefit to you if I tell you that? He, the Jew, said, I would lend ear to that. He then said, I have come to ask you about the child. He, the Holy Prophet, said, the reproductive substance of man is white and that of woman. Ovum central portion yellow, and when they have sexual intercourse, and the male substance, chromosomes and genes prevails upon the female substance, chromosomes and genes. It is the male child that is created by Allah's decree. And when the substance of the female